cute kids. Hi friends! In this video, I show you Peppa Pig and Chuck Pig learn to ride bicycle. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Chuck Pig, starting to draw his nose and his face like this. On his head, I draw his dinosaur cycling helmet. I continue to draw his eyes. Then I draw his mouth and his cheek like this. I continue to draw his body and his bicycle. I draw his legs. His legs are riding a bicycle. Chuck's bicycle has 3 wheels. Then I draw his tail like this. Next, I draw Peppa Pig's bicycle. Draw a round wheel like this. Then I draw a bicycle saddle. Peppa Pig's bicycle has 2 wheels. Next, I draw Peppa Pig, starting to draw her cycle helmet. On her head, I draw 5 flowers like this. I continue to draw her nose and her face. Then I draw her 2 eyes and her mouth like this. I draw her body and her hands. Draw her tail. Finally, I draw her legs like this. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use green to paint Chuck's cycling helmet. Then I color his clothes dark blue. For his bicycle, I used yellow to paint. Gray. her dress, I use red to paint. Then I use lots of bright colors to paint the flowers on Peppa's cycling helmet. Pink. Then I use light pink watercolor to paint their skin. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!